Let's see. But this is not a panel discussion. Okay, I'll request my friend Dipendu to come and do the little helpful and create a structure. Something like that. Okay, I also had someone in mind. There is anyone else who would like to volunteer who's having a beard?
Beard?
Someone. Because it's all about our event manager is having a beard. So we'll use Vasu, huh? Vasu, why don't you come? Or I had Pankaj in mind. Where is Pankaj?
Check.
Pankaj, ICSE Brew. If anybody can get him. You see, Pankaj is there. Okay. Now, as all of you can see, just have a seat. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll just name it. Yes, Pankaj. The one chair, but Pankaj. So finally, with all 4 AMCs, we are having a skit and they don't know the story. Isn't it exciting?
Yes.
Isn't it exciting? Yes. Okay, I think this excitement will help them to do something. So this is the story, no? Sir is getting ready. That's great. So this is the story of a barber, okay, where they need not speak a single word. The only thing is we will have a light music and we will understand the advantages of direct or regular plan which is done through an IFA. This is what the message is going to come to us. If it is convincing, it's fine. If it is not, then you're acting and whatever I have tried, it's not worked. So let's proceed. So we have a person who is getting his face shaved and we have a barber there. Okay? So you will have to just continuously act, which is like Bindu Baba, and he's doing this and he's talking. Wow, it's really working well. And this is how the whole thing is all about. On the other side, there is another gentleman who is sitting, and again we have a barber, who is also doing the same thing and continuously talking. And this is how things are proceeding. Oh, real professionals. Wow.
Oh, chuk diya Dipendu. Gala nahi katta.
So both the people who are getting their faces shaved, fortunately they are all MFRT delegates. So they are all IFAs. So just say hi to the person sitting next to you. Both of you. Say hi. Say hi to the person sitting next to you. The other person is there. Say hello. Hey, both of you are IFAs. Yes. So that's how you see. And that's how it is working. All of a sudden, certain conversation starts. And this is what the barber says. There is nothing like an advisor. Actually, you don't need advisors. You don't need advisors. And these people who are advisors think what is going in their mind. One of them says, I invested in a regular plan and I got 40% in last 2 years. And the other one says, I got 42.2% because I invested in a direct plan. So I think the decision is quite clear where one should invest. This is what the barber is telling and the barber is so happy about it. Who will invest in a regular plan other than a direct plan? Okay. I think by this time, one of them, then Baba shares few more things. Okay. The Baba to our right, Mr. Chatti shares, there was a client who invested, he called and somebody came and he invested in a direct plan. And then the other one also shares how the returns of a direct plan is little more. And finally, if you see long term, even 1% is very, very big. In 15 years, an SIP or an investment in a direct plan can actually generate more than ₹1 lakh. So I think direct is much better. Why one should go for a regular plan? It makes no sense. So barbers invest direct. So conclusions for both the direct, both the barbers. The direct is better than the regular plans, so there is no need of an advisor. These advisors who are sitting as a client, they have nothing to say. One of them just finished his shave work and he gets up. And when he is just coming outside, he sees a man sitting there. Oh, he's also giving him tip. Although he got so many things. And he meets someone who is not shaved. Although he's shaved, but I'm just symbolic. And he meets someone who is not shaved. And there is an idea now. And this idea, he requests this person to come with him inside the barber shop. And what he says, when he was standing outside and meeting this person, he says, there is no barber. And the barber says, how can you say that? I am there. But you say, no, there is no barber. Had there been a barber, why is this man not shaved? Then this man, whose name is Pankaj, he shares. He and his friend, they tried cutting on their own, and the result was. They have been doing this, not only he, but a lot of his friends, and the result was very, very bad. That's the reason he stopped shaving, and he is not shaving anymore. But then the advisor tells, see, who will tell you how close you are to your goal? Not the barber, it's the advisor who tells. Only the barber is now only realizing that it's the advisor who tells all these things. And he also tells him the returns, which are much, much more in the top funds and the bottom funds, but the difference is huge. And who will tell all this? And finally, both the advisors shares that what they have actually been paying to their advisor is nothing more than, as actually 59%, this is the cost of their advice. Actually, the top 10 equity funds have generated a return of 15%, and the bottom 10 equity funds in last 1 year have got only minus 8.94%, which means anybody invested through an advisor has actually got 59% more. And with all this, there is a music and there is a dance, and all these barbers, they become advisor-based investors. So then we have, there is an advisor, this is what the conclusion is. So can we have a big applause for all of them?
And also to add, Kanak, I have taken a fee also from him for doing the job of a barber. So it is not only my brokerage, I have also taken a fee from him.
Great. Let me request Mahesh to please have some books. Thank you very much for coming up and being so spontaneous. But this is an inspiration for all of us. None of them was knowing the story. If you have a concept or if you have anything, please try to make it. We will try to do all this tomorrow and just try to make this MFRT event a memorable event.